All right, pilots, arm your quads as we go hot on the tone in less than 5. All right, them flags are whipping. The wind is playing havoc on our pilots. Tommy just crossed across on his second lap. He's on a 3-lap, 2:10 pace. That will put him about 19th or 20th if he can hold on to that spot. Nope. There we go. All right, guys, when you cross, you'll be done. Tommy, good job. That moves you up into 16th spot. It's up 12. And we still got one more on the track. We're waiting for Bond to come across. Good job, Bond. You're done. 2 laps, 2:18. Waiting for him to land. All right, guys, everybody's down. Let's retrieve some quads. Good run, Tommy. Put you in the 16th spot.